So we're dealing with point of intersections and we're dealing with logs, right? We already went over logs, we just went over it briefly, but we said if we're talking about a point of intersection, we're gonna set up both of the logs equal to each other, right? So you have p of x equals to q of x. This is your guide, okay? So here we have to set up those two functions equal to each other. So what do I have? I have a log with the base of 10, x minus 2, plus log with the base of 10, x plus 2, equals q of x. So what's q of x? In this case, it's log with the base of 10, x squared minus 4, right? So now that you have them equal to each other, right, you're gonna notice that the 10 is showing. Usually with the log, the 10 doesn't show, right? But in this case, it's showing. Anyways, you're gonna notice that here you have, on the left and on the right, you have a log being involved. Now the question that should be, do all the logs have the same base? And the answer is yes. So that means if it's on the left, if it's on the right of the equal sign, you could just get rid of them. You don't need them no more. So basically you're left with x minus 2 plus x plus 2 equals x squared minus 4. And all you do is just solve this equation until you get a value for x, okay? So if you notice here, we're trying to combine like terms, this one and this one, right? They're basically 0, and this one are 2x, right? So now you have this, x squared minus 4. Let me erase this one. So here it is. What should I move? Well, these two are over here together, and basically this one doesn't count because it's a 0. So instead of a positive 2, just make it into a negative so you can be able to move it. So now you have 0 equals x squared, right? Minus 2x minus 4. And then you would do the little table, right? A times C and B over here, right? But I'm not gonna try to solve it. I just want you to realize that if you're dealing with point of intersection, you set up the logs equal to each other. Both functions equal to each other. If a log is both on the right and the left with the same base, just get rid of it and just solve for it algebraically. Cool? Cool.